Green tea versus Ozempic. Who wins the weight loss war? So let's break it down. Ozempic, or semaglutide, is a super popular anti-obesity drug. It helps by regulating insulin and making you feel full. Now, what about green tea? People say it's the natural Ozempic. It can boost metabolism and help burn fat. Studies even show it reduces triglycerides and insulin resistance. But hold up. Before you start chugging green tea by the gallon, remember this: its impact on GLP-1 hormones is pretty limited. And most studies use green tea extract, not the actual tea you sip. Sure, green tea can help you burn a bit more fat during exercise, up to 17%. But it's no match for Ozempic's brain-powering, weight-controlling superpowers. Final verdict? Green tea is great, but it's no Ozempic. Want to learn more cool health hacks? Subscribe to FitStrike 60. Thanks for watching, and keep sipping smart.